Yep.
Alright guys, hello there and good afternoon. My name is Bernie and I will be your captain in your storytelling today. Now folks, for your safety, please remain seated with hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times. And please, my friends, supervise your children. And my whale watchers, we're going to be brave and stay up there the whole time, okay? Now here at Disneyland, our stories can start on a magic carpet ride or down a rabbit hole. But our story today starts with Monstro the whale, the very same whale from the story of Pinocchio. And while he might look a bit intimidating, he's a storyteller's best friend and helps us reach Storybook Land, where our stories start with once upon a time. And once upon a time there was a big bad wolf who huffed and puffed and tried to blow down the houses of the 3 little pigs. They lived in houses of straw, sticks, and guaranteed wolf-proof. Our story now takes a strange turn around the corner and into Alice's quaint English village on the left-hand side, where one golden afternoon she followed a very late white rabbit down the rabbit hole and into Wonderland. On our right-hand side is London Park, where Peter Pan and the darling children first took flight into Neverland, where they would never, ever have to grow up. With the help of Tinkerbell, all they needed was a little faith, trust, and pixie dust. In the enchanting city of Agrabah, a street rat named Aladdin not only stole a loaf of bread from that marketplace, but also the heart of the Princess Jasmine. After staying one jump ahead of the evil Jafar, they now live happily ever after in the Sultan's palace. And now folks, don't you dare close your eyes, because in front of us are the shining, shimmering, and splendid archways that Aladdin and Jasmine first went over, sideways, and under on their magic carpet ride to a whole new world together. We now enter the mysterious cave of wonders, where that you've never had a friend like Genie. Now he has phenomenal cosmic power, but he lives in that lamp. And we make our way on through, let's make some wishes and hope we can make them come true. And speaking of wishes coming true, Snow White's dearest wish was to get away from the evil queen. She found that in the cottage of the 7 doors on my right, where you can hear them whistle while they work. And on the left is the story of Cinderella, whose evil stepmother stopped her from going to the royal ball. With the help of the fairy godmother, she was able to go, and there she met Prince Charming. However, she did not make her midnight curfew, so her pumpkin carriage is up on the bridge still to this day. But don't worry guys, we now live happily ever after in the castle on top of the hill. Now Cinderella taught us that a dream is a wish your heart makes, but now how can you dream without a good old blanket? Over on our left-hand side is our patchwork quilt inspired by the 1933 silly symphony cartoon Lullaby Land. Now my friends, all the plants and trees surrounding us are 100% real. You could bring home these succulents today with the power of Tinkerbell and a wonderful Disneyland horticulture team. Nothing here ever has to grow up. Now coming up in front of us is Disneyland's resident worst driver, Mr. J. Thaddeus Toad, who traded in his family home of Toad Hall for a little red doom buggy, and I hear he takes on wild rides through Fantasyland to nowhere in particular. And welcome to Arendelle, whose gates opened for the first time in forever for Queen Elsa's coronation day. After accidentally starting an eternal winter, Princess Anna would not let her sister go and raced up the mountain to save her. And in the village in front of us, a white carver named Geppetto wished upon a star for his puppet Pinocchio to become a real boy. After being saved from Monstro, the blue fairy began to release no strings attached. Now the final chapter of our story takes us to Prince's castle on the right, where a little mermaid named Ariel fell in love with him. She traded in her mermaid tail for a pair of starboard again. Oh yeah, beach! However, her story began right there beyond the waterfall, in the underwater city of Atlantica, where she wished to become a part of our world. And now, my friends, like all good stories, we have reached our happily ever after, but just a couple safety reminders. Keep all hands, arms, and fingers inside the boat. Disneyland has one Captain Hook and does not need another one. We will also get up on my count, and only my count, of 3 guys for balance, so none of us end up under the sea today. Thank you, and have a great day, guys. Alright guys, please stay seated, my little ones in the front. Go ahead and swing your legs into the boat like mine, please, and face me.